I found a problem that I needed to review in the homework. It was number 13. And let's see. It says find the exact value of tangent theta given that sine of theta equals 1/6. Okay, and theta is in quadrant 2. Let's see. Okay, so I like to draw my graph. Let's see, just have a visual, you know. I'm in quadrant 2, so right here. And I first tried to extrapolate the values from this equation right here. And I got y equals, what was it, 1, and then r equals 6. And let's see, that means x was some arbitrary thing like 1 squared plus x squared equals 6 squared 36 1, and then subtract. What was 35 square root of 35, and something felt very wrong. So I went back and checked the work and discovered that I should use the Pythagorean theorem, where sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. So from here, I'm going to go 1/6. I'm just going to erase this because it's wrong, but I just want to show the correction. So 1/6. Let's see, I'm going to write this down. So sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. And I'm just going to change the 1 to be equivalent to 6. So I'm going to do 6 over 6. And then 1 squared is 1. And 6 squared is 36. Oh shoot. I might have been right in the first place. Okay. Plus cosine squared equals 6 over 6. So now I'm going to, well, I guess I'm going to make this 36. There we go. Subtract 1/36 from 36 over 6. Cosine squared equals 1/36 over 6. It's going to be 35 over 36. And I have to square root that. So, squared. Plus, I don't think it's right. I don't think that's right. just 1, so not squared. Been doing a lot of math recently, so my brain is kind of scrambled. But we'll get there. Okay. 35 or 36. That looks terrible. So from here, well, I guess yes, we will square root it. Square root of everything. There we go. So then cosine squared, well, not squared, equals square root 35 over 6. Now what were our values? Let's see. Initially, what I had written, x was a question and y was 1 and r was 6. And then I'm putting that word back up here. Okay. I hope you can hear me. Okay, let's see. So 1 squared plus x squared equals 6 squared. So that was 1 plus x squared equals 36. 1 x equals square root of 35. So with cosine, our value is x over r, and when we look at that, we have the square root of 35 equals x, and we have r at 6. Okay. That makes me feel good. Let's see. Oh yeah, so we're going to find tangent in the second quadrant. So that means that our y is going to be positive and our x is going to be negative. So I guess I just need to adjust for the values. I was afraid I missed a negative or a positive sign. Okay, so the fun part, erasing it. I guess I'll just erase this a little bit. So let's see. Tangent is y over x. And now I take my values. Y, 1 over x, square root 35. I cannot have a radical in the denominator, so I need to multiply the bottom by negative 30, or by the square root of 35. And let's see, 35, and that will give us, should have spaced out better. That will give us square root of 35 over 35. And this is one of the many reasons I love trig. You can do multiple, you can get the same answer using multiple methods. In algebra, I always did the wrong thing first. I never started with the right thing.